Hey everybody, you know it's the Banjo Man. Look at these bees coming from outside into this clear tube. Here's another opening over here from outside. And they come over to this box. And look at this. You can follow the bees. Now, if you can find a queen, you're lucky. There's glare from the window outside, but that's okay. All right, that ends this video. Like and subscribe. Bye. These are the bees that are coming inside. And there's a swarm of bees on the ground. I did see a queen in there earlier. So that must have been a swarm that came out of this hive inside here. All right.